If I tell you that all these images are all generated by AI, all of them you see now are all generated by AI, and it's totally free. You don't have to pay them for it. If you have a project at hand or a program that you want to do, but you don't have money to pay graphic designers, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. So what you have to do for me is stay back and watch this video to the very end because I'll be giving you the full tutorial on how to make this happen. And it's just by giving the AI the right prompt that it needs. And I'll be showing you the two AIs that I use to generate this successfully. And it's very free. It's totally free, all right? So I'm Ego Tech, and this channel I talk about tech related updates. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more updates like this. All right. So for me to quickly show you how to do this, let's go directly into the video. But before we do that, I recently made a video on some WhatsApp updates and even how you can pin more than one three chats on WhatsApp and some other videos. You need to go watch it out and stay safe on the internet as well. So I have all these videos in this playlist. Make sure you click on the playlist and watch out the video for yourself. So let's get directly into this.
There are two ways to generate prompts using ChatGPT, and the second one is the one I use most. I love it most, and it gives me the best of what I want. But this first one, maybe you saw this thumbnail of this video. I believe you saw that, right? So I generated it using the first method, all right? But if you want an advanced one, you can generate it as well using the second one, all right? So let's dive into it directly so that I'll show you how you can do it. All right, open your ChatGPT. The first one is just by telling it what you want to do. For instance, I have some informations I get from ChatGPT about YouTube. So I'll be like, I want to make a video on how to make money on crypto. Let's just give it a try. Simple. You ask it that you want to create a video concerning anything, and you ask it to give you a prompt for the thumbnail. Just like that, it will give you a prompt. Then what you have to do is copy the prompt and paste it in this second AI that I'm using. All right. The second AI that I use is Image FX. All right. So let's copy this prompt. I also have some prompt that I've already copied. So because of this tutorial, we'll give it a try and we'll know how it works and everything. It's very easy and simple. All right. And it's also free. So I use this FX. That's what I use to generate my image. I don't generate directly from AI, from ChatGPT, because number one is that most people are generating it from ChatGPT, so it delays the time and also it won't give you the network that you need. So I generate it using this one. This one is very easier and it suggests about two or three depending on, all right. So if you come here, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. I come and tap on this setting here and these settings. You see the settings, right? Tap on it, then some settings will pop up. You click on this best quality, yeah, leave it on best quality. Then this seed, click on the key and lock it up. This key, click on it and lock it. Then make sure this landscape is this square aspect ratio is in landscape, because what you need is thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. That's 16:9 ratio. All right. So let's input the text we copied, the prompt we copied from ChatGPT. Paste it and click on generate here. Click on generate. Then allow it to load for some minutes or seconds. I'm really experiencing network delay, so you have to give me some time so that it will analyze it and give me the right thing. All right. You saw that, right? That's very crazy. Like, Omo. And it's not just this one. It's two, three, four. Give you four suggestions. Like, isn't that crazy, guys? That's really cool. Just by giving it a simple prompt, I want to create a video concerning crypto. So give me a thumbnail prompt. That's all. To give you something very cool. You see that? So you can use it out and try it out for yourself. It's very easy. But this that is the one that I copied last. the two prompts that I copied from ChatGPT. So let's paste it here and let's give it a try. All right. So this is the first one I copied. This is the first one I copied. Here, create a vibrant uplifting flyer. This one is for a flyer. So let's generate it, and then you see just by giving it a prompt I generated from ChatGPT. This is the second method that I use to generate this particular prompt now. So you see how the prompt and the design will be very cool. Let's give it a try. Guy, this image I left this in landscape and I would have needed it in portrait. But you see what it generated for me. So let's head over to this setting again and change an aspect ratio from landscape to mobile portrait. Then we recreate it again. So I don't need it in landscape because this is not a thumbnail, this is just a flyer. Alright. So that's a mistake. So once you generate it in landscape or anyway, you head over to your settings and make adjustments, all right, and we generate it again. So let's give it a try the second time. You can see that, right? That's very cool. That's crazy, man. She generated two different ones. You understand? Two different suggestions. And you just tap on it and download it. It's very easy. Like, isn't that cool? Just by giving it a prompt and it generated something like this. So those are your flyers that you want to generate for your programs, all those stuffs. You don't need a design again. I'm sorry for that, designers, but this one is crazy. You see it, everything is okay. And if you want to know how to edit all these image, all these text, maybe if there is a mistake and you want to edit it, just drop it in the comment section. Drop how to edit in the comment section. Then I'll teach you how to edit all these letters so that if there is a mistake, you adjust it and put the one that you want there. All right. So let's head over on how to generate this right prompt. I've taught you how to generate the first prompt, but the second one is what I use most. All right. Let's go to ChatGPT so I'll show you how to do that. All right. This is my ChatGPT, and I would like to head over to. All right. This is my ChatGPT. Let's generate this right prompt now that I used in creating that second image. So what I will do is that if I head over to internet and see any design that I like, I head over and pick it up. I save it. So for instance, this is the one I saved. This image here. This one now I saved it. So let me add it up. I add it to my ChatGPT and I will ask it give me a prompt for this image. That's all. Ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt for this image. That's all, guys. Then once the prompt is generated, you can go ahead and edit the things, your text. You can go ahead to edit the location, the time, the website, everything that was in that image will be generated. So head over and click on copy. All right, let's copy it. Let's copy this one now. So and head over to this image FX, then click on this one here and clean it up. All right. So paste your new generated prompt here and make sure your settings is in portrait. If you're generating for portrait, if you want it to generate in landscape, then you also change it here. So let's lock our seed phrase. All right. So and allow it to be in the best quality possible. Then click on generate. All right. Click on generate here. Then let's give it a try again. Let's see what it will give us. Isn't this crazy, guys? Take a look at all these things, guys. This is very crazy and professional. You think there's a professional designer that designed this, but it's just generated by AI. And it's very cool for your program, anything that you want to do. Can you see it? You can just tap on this save button here and save it. That's all. Just tap on it and save it. Or you tap on the image, press hold on the image directly like this. You press hold on it and tap on download image. That's all. Isn't that crazy, guys? But make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates like this. So make sure you subscribe. Oh,
I believe you got value from this video, right? If you really do, hit that subscribe button and on your notification bell for more updates. All right. I'm Ego Tech and I'm here to help you in all tech related updates. So, guys, see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.